How to get metrobank statement on app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. To get your metrobank statement on the application, you first of all want to download and install metrobank app. After you have installed it, tap it open. Now you want to log into your account. For that, go ahead and enter your credentials over here. First of all, enter your username, then enter your password. Now tap on the login option. From the dashboard, tap on the account for which you need the statement. Now tap on View Your Statement. Ensure Statements is selected on the left hand side. Now use Show Statements for drop down to select the desired account. Then click Retrieve. Select the year and month of the statement you wish to view. Then tap on the View option to open the statement. To download, tap Download icon or option within the app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.